Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Patel. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree from Institute of Engineering and Technology Lucknow from Electrical Engineering stream. My topic of presentation is wireless power transmission via solar power satellite. Here are my contents which I will discuss in this presentation. Brief study of wireless power transmission, introduction to solar power satellite, overview of system design, how solar power satellite works, advantages and disadvantages, conclusion. First basic question arises in the mind, what is wireless power transmission? By wireless power transmission, we means transmitting electrical power from source end to load end without making use of wires. This phenomena is known as vitricity. Three main systems used for wireless power transmission are power transmission using inductive coupling, wireless power transmission using microwave, wireless transfer of solar power. Here the basic question arises, why the need of wireless power transmission? Because most of the power loss occur in transmission line. To reduce these losses, we go for wireless power transmission. Is WPT safe? One of the important benefits of using wireless power transmission is human being or other objects placed in between them do not hinder the transmission of power. Here are two types of solar power transmission: ground-based power transmission (GPT), space-based power transmission (SPT). SPT is preferred over GPT because no storage required for nighttime power. Energy available in space is 4 to 5 times than on Earth. Introduction to solar power satellite (SPS). How it works? Solar power satellite consists of mainly three segments: solar energy collector, which converts the solar energy into DC electricity. Second segment is which converts the DC electricity to microwave converter, and large antenna array to beam down the microwave power to the ground. Overview of system design. First one is solar panel. Solar panels use photon from sun to generate electricity through photovoltaic effect. Second, space antenna or antenna on satellite. It is a device which is used to convert the solar energy into electrical energy, then converts electrical energy into microwave energy, and thus it sends the microwave energy towards the ground through its antenna. Third, rectina, rectifying antenna. An antenna comprising a mesh of dipoles and diodes for absorbing microwave energy from a transmitter and converting it into electrical power. Transmission of power using solar power transmission model. If we can achieve 85% efficiency. How solar power satellite work? It is a schematic diagram representing how solar power satellite works. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: zero carbon dioxide emission. Solar energy can be more efficiently collected in space. Unlimited energy resources. Disadvantages of solar power based transmission: interference with communication satellite. The entire structure is massive, high